Welcome to DIY RV and Home Campers Life. My name is Greg. Excited to start a new series. We're going to be following along while I upgrade our electrical system in our 2018 Coleman Lanner 202RD. We're going to be doing an inverter install, an automatic power transfer switch install. We're going to be cutting the permanently mounted umbilical cord, the shoreline off the trailer. We're going to be setting it up to where we just plug in an extension cord to the side of the trailer. We've already got 200 watts of solar on the trailer that we put on earlier this year, link right here. But we're going to be doing some upgrades to that and updating the equipment on that. So along with the installation of these products, I also want to take time and talk about the different components that I'm using in the install. And telling you this, I'm doing it on a budget. There's no sponsorship on this, so I had to pay for this all out of my pocket. So I'm not going with the best on the market, the most expensive. I'm going with something that I can afford and hopefully you can afford too. And show you that didn't have to do it all at once. You can go step by step. We were lucky enough to have a little nest of money that was set aside to purchase 90% of this stuff. So anyways, I hope you guys stick around to check out the series. First one's coming right up right after this one post, and that's going to be talking about circuit breakers, fuses, ones I'm using, and why.